Hello there everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video you are going to see how to find search history on Instagram. So let's get right into it. Head over to your Instagram application. Once you're there, make sure you have logged in with your desired account from which you'll see the search history, and then head over to the search icon right there. And once you're there, just click on the search tab. And here you're currently seeing some of my search options or search list. And if I want to see the whole history, all I need to do is just to click on or tap on the see all option on the upper right corner. And here goes all my search list or search history on my Instagram account. And yeah, there goes like it. You can also find these two in this way. Hope this video will help you out. And yeah, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel, and we will see you in the next video. Stay tuned.